The 2026 Ferrari RV Motorhome is something the automotive world never imagined would become a reality. Known globally for creating some of the most iconic supercars ever built, Ferrari has taken an audacious step into the luxury motorhome segment, and the result is jaw-dropping. This isn't just a motorhome, it's the perfect marriage between Ferrari's racing DNA and the ultra-luxury lifestyle of high-end travel. Every detail reflects the brand's Italian craftsmanship, uncompromising performance, and bold design philosophy. From the outside, the Ferrari RV Motorhome instantly makes a statement with its aggressive yet sleek styling. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, inspired by Ferrari's Formula One experience, featuring flowing lines, muscular proportions, and sharp angles that cut through the air with elegance. The signature Ferrari red paint, accented with carbon fiber panels and matte black detailing, makes it unmistakable on the road. Huge alloy wheels with performance tires, active aerodynamic elements, and a front fascia resembling Ferrari's hypercars bring motorsport DNA into the world of motorhomes. The iconic prancing horse emblem sits proudly at the front, reminding everyone that this is not just a luxury vehicle, it's a Ferrari. Under the hood, Ferrari delivers something extraordinary. The RV is powered by a hybrid V8 powertrain paired with advanced electric motors, producing nearly 800 horsepower. This means the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome isn't just about luxury, it's about blistering performance. With a top speed that puts most SUVs to shame and acceleration figures unheard of in the motorhome industry, it's a true game changer. Ferrari has integrated an adaptive suspension system for unparalleled comfort, ensuring a smooth ride while maintaining sharp handling. The motorhome can switch between full electric mode for city cruising and the raw power of the V8 for open highways, blending efficiency with Ferrari's signature thrill. Step inside, and the luxury is unlike anything seen before. The interior is a fusion of racing-inspired design and five-star hotel opulence. Hand-stitched leather seats with Ferrari's signature red accents, Alcantara finishes, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of both sportiness and elegance. The lounge area features reclining seats with massage functions, a modular sofa, and a massive 8K OLED display with surround sound, turning the motorhome into a private cinema. The kitchen is compact yet fully loaded, designed with Italian flair and premium materials. It includes an induction cooktop, smart oven, wine chiller, and a sleek dining space for 2 to 4 people. The bedroom is pure luxury, featuring a queen-sized bed with memory foam, Ferrari-branded linens, and a panoramic smart glass ceiling that allows passengers to stargaze at night. The bathroom completes the package with a rainfall shower, high-end fixtures, and marble-style finishes that elevate the living experience. Technology inside the 2026 Ferrari RV Motorhome is futuristic. A central AI assistant manages everything from climate and lighting to navigation and security. Autonomous driving features, real-time performance monitoring, satellite internet, and voice-activated controls ensure convenience at every step. Safety is paramount, with Ferrari's advanced driver assist systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and 360-degree cameras providing peace of mind. The 2026 Ferrari RV Motorhome is more than just a luxury vehicle, it's a revolution in how we perceive travel. It proves that performance, design, and comfort can exist in harmony, creating a new benchmark for the motorhome industry. For those who want to travel the world without leaving behind the thrill of Ferrari, this is the ultimate dream machine.